Welcome to Mind Ride. Today, we're diving deep into the Pimax Crystal Light, a VR headset that's making waves in the virtual reality community. Whether you're a seasoned VR enthusiast or new to the scene, this device promises to elevate your immersive experiences. Let's explore what sets it apart. Visual excellence. At the heart of the Pimax Crystal Light is its ultra-sharp 2880 by 2880 resolution per eye, delivering some of the clearest visuals available in consumer VR today. This clarity is achieved through glass aspheric lenses, offering a wide sweet spot that ensures consistent sharpness across your field of view. With a pixel density of 35 pixels per degree, PPD, the Crystal Light provides super clear vision, allowing for detailed and immersive environments that bring your virtual worlds to life. Smooth and adaptive performance. Performance is key in VR, and the Pimax Crystal Light doesn't disappoint. It features a variable refresh rate, allowing users to choose between 72 Hz, 90 Hz, and 120 Hz settings. This flexibility ensures smooth gameplay tailored to your system's capabilities and personal preferences. Comfort is also prioritized with a manually adjustable interpupillary distance, IPD, ranging from 58 to 72 millimeters, ensuring a customized fit for a wide range of users. Advanced features for immersion. To enhance performance without compromising visual quality, the Crystal Light employs fixed foveated rendering 2.0. This technology focuses rendering resources where your eyes are looking, optimizing performance and reducing system load. Setting up the headset is straightforward thanks to its inside-out tracking system. This design eliminates the need for external sensors, allowing for a hassle-free setup and more freedom of movement. Audio and communication capabilities. Audio plays a crucial role in immersion. The Pimax Crystal Light comes equipped with an interchangeable 3.5mm jack, giving you the flexibility to use your preferred headphones. Additionally, it features two built-in microphones, ensuring clear communication during multiplayer sessions. Why choose the Pimax Crystal Light? The Pimax Crystal Light is designed for those seeking high-end PCVR experiences at an affordable price point. Priced at $887, it offers exceptional value for its feature set. Its ultra-high resolution, advanced lens technology, and adaptive performance settings make it a standout choice for both gaming and professional applications. Users have praised its visual clarity, noting that the local dimming technology enhances contrast and color vibrancy, bringing virtual environments to life with incredible realism. Considerations and final thoughts. While the Pimax Crystal Light excels in many areas, it's important to note that it lacks standalone capabilities and requires a tethered connection to a PC. Additionally, some users have reported that the build quality could be improved. However, for those prioritizing visual fidelity and performance, this headset remains a compelling option. The Pimax Crystal Light represents a significant advancement in VR technology, offering features that cater to both newcomers and veterans alike. If you're interested in experiencing top-tier virtual reality, this headset is worth considering. For more information, visit the official Pimax website or check out detailed reviews from trusted sources. Stay tuned to Mind Ride for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in VR technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things virtual reality.